like everywhere I go, everybody wanna know, what's it like to be a girl in the music world? It's so sexist, believe me, I get it. We'd probably sell more records if I flaunted my ass and chest, but forget it. I work like one of the boys, and I'm as true as they get. But I'm a lady through and through, like give me some credit. I knew I'd regret it if I try to blend in and pretend be something other than I am. Like, have you noticed I'm a woman? Didn't come to downplay it or to play it off either. And I'm not trying to pick a fight or be nobody's leader, but it feels like everybody's just a little too interested in the fact that females can indeed make music. Our interviews, our bios, they all make it a point. Female-fronted band from Decatur, Illinois. And just once, I'd like to see some other bands' resume go out of their way to say they're fronted by a male, okay? And while we're on it, let me say, women's don't all sound the same. Who gave us the idea that female-fronted is a genre anyway? Seem like everywhere I go, everybody wanna know, what's it like to be a girl in the music world? Wanna make it disappear, tell them what they wanna hear. If the truth ain't pretty, will your eyes stay with me? Will you love me ugly? And I know it's not fair and I can't complain, cause with a girl in our band, people don't look away. But you know what? It feels like they look just a little too long. Steer me up and down, forget to listen to the song. I take the stage, and before I even open my mouth, the audience assumes that they got us all figured out. Oh, your band's got a chick, must be some kind of trick. There's no way she got this far without sucking somebody. Did you really think that's how it works? I'm not fucking eye candy. I'm here to do my job, I'll be the last man standing. Boys in the crowd asking for me to flash, and well, here you go, newsflash, you're ignorant and that's that. I bet you'd never say that to your little sister. The media's got you all jacked up, little mister. Cause girls in my position can perpetuate the cycle, walking a tightrope, don't know which way to go. Hypersexualize or downplay your femininity, dress like the dudes or pray to God that you're pretty. Are you kidding me? I don't even know who's to blame. Beauty sells, I buy it too, I'm trying to sell it back to you. Seem like everywhere I go, everybody wanna know, what's it like to be a girl in the music world? Wanna make it disappear, tell them what they wanna hear. If the truth ain't pretty, will your eyes stay with me? Will you love me ugly? So tell me, what's a woman to do? Now scratch that. Tell me, what's a human being to do with the fact that what gets us ahead holds us back more? Is a level playing field too much to ask for? And I know that by saying it, I'm bringing attention to an issue that might be better left unmentioned. But someone's gotta say it, gotta call up the scene. The scene is a scene, my sanity's split at the seams. So to all of y'all making this just about ass and tits, here to set the record straight, it don't gotta be this way. We can change the game, rearrange the way to fame, make a bigger deal about the talent than the fame. See, I got little girls watching me, wanting to be like me. I wanna show them they don't gotta be like them. They can do their own thing, they can rewrite the rules, they can get respect without acting like fools. So let's not make it harder than it has to be. I'll keep making music, you stop asking me, what's it like to be a girl in the entertainment world? Cause now you know.